Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Dewalt 6-1/2 inch 20 volts max circular saw. If someone asks me which circular saw is the handiest, I will give 10 on 10 to the Dewalt DCS 391B 6-1/2 inch circular saw. It provides the most potent speed that can cut any materials. High strength and lightweight magnesium shoes give an accurate cut without arm weariness, mainly when working on long cutting jobs. An optimized rubber over molded support grip delivers optimal balance and curb. If anyone wants aggressive bevel cuts in any material, then 0° 50° bevel capacity can do this. This saw comes with a 6.5 inches carbide tipped blade with a no-load speed of 5,150 revolutions per minute, which can cut 2x material at 90° and 45° angle. It operates with a single battery, but it does the work of a heavy-duty Skilsaw. The lithium-ion battery lasts long, which you can find any time in the market because it is sold separately. The high-quality brake stops instantly when the trigger is released that prevents you from a severe accident. Moving on at number 4, we have the Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries 7-1/4 Magnesium Circular Saw for beginners. Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries saw come with an electric brake feature, which is highly durable magnesium elements and a sturdy 15 amp motor that delivers 5,800 RPM. The built-in sawdust blower clears the line when you cut to get a more perfect and explicit cut. The twin LED lights provide a clear view of the blade and measurement scale when cutting the edge. It's prevalent among professionals for its balanced weight, power, stability and easy to use on different surfaces like framing walls, floors, roof, ripping panels such as plywood, particle board and dense structural panels. The saw has an extensive cutting range, 2.5 inch at 90°, with the highest bevel capacity of 56° and positive stops at 22.5° and 45° for fast back and forth moves. This saw provides a better grip and vast space for those who use gloves or have larger hands. It also has significant rubberized levels, which helps to adjust the saw in one hand quickly. The premium 7.25 inches ultra-coated framing blade with advanced M-shaped tooth design with a 2-point tip and 210° bevel faces maximizing the cutting performance. The magnesium saw purchased box includes a 24T carbide tipped framing blade, hex blade wrench, rip fence and tool case. At number 3, we have the Dewalt FlexVolt 60 volts max circular saw. The Dewalt DCS 577B FlexVolt circular saw is the latest item. It comes with some advanced features from the Dewalt DWE 575SB and this fantastic tool for the right handler because this circular saw features optimized lines of sight with a left side blade. It has an integral dust blower that allows the user to see the path clearly while cutting. The best feature of this saw is the 5,800 RPM brushless motor that delivers cords power with cordless portability and benefit. With an efficient brushless motor and a high-grade magnesium shoe, any surface can cut smoothly. An electronic brake instantly stops the blade after the trigger is released, and the angle stops at 22.5, 45, 53. This framing saw cuts to a depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90° and 1 7/8 inch at 45°. It carries a raptor hook and onboard wrench storage for the convenience of changing blades. Farmers, concrete formers, carpenters, and general contractors widely use this circular saw in various cutting applications. It has a long period of limited warranty. At number 2, we have the Skilsaw SPT 67M80115 amp Sidewinder circular saw. Skilsaw Southpaw SPT 67M8 is a well-designed and reliable tool. The powerful 15-amp motor is turning at 5,300 RPM to deliver a set and quality cut, which is excellent for professional use. It helps to reduce user fatigue because of its lightweight magnesium body. It's a left blade saw, not left-handed. So as your blade is located on the left, it can increase accuracy and extend the 56-degree bevel add capacity for a wider variety of cuts. It has an on-tool multi-function wrench for a blade. It has a powerful dual-field motor that increases cooling and extends the life of the saw. Plus the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable soft grip for both left and right-handed users. This 7 1/4 inch 24-tooth carbide SKILSA blade has a max cutting capacity of 2 7/16 inch at 90 degrees and 1 7/8 inch at 45 degrees. The saw has a maximum 56 degrees bevel capacity, stressing a positive stop at 0 degrees and 45 degrees. And finally at number 1, we have the Metabo HPT cordless circular saw. For those who have Hitachi cordless tools and need a circular saw to round out with an existing set, then this saw is a perfect match for you. Hitachi has now become Metabo HPT, and most of the Hitachi batteries work with this saw. This is the most lightweight, compact, and powerful cordless circular saws on the market. This circular saw features a built-in light with an electric brake, and the brushless motor is capable of generating a no-load speed of 4,100 RPM. The engine has a quiet auto mode setting, enabling the saw to work efficiently in less noise. Additionally, when the load increases during the silent mode, it automatically shifts over to power mode. The overload protection system automatically cuts off the motor power when it's overloaded to protect the user and the tool's battery from accidents and damage. Also, to reduce the kickback on startup, there is a soft start option and has an electric brake. The 18 volts brushless lithium-ion saw with a 6-1/2 blade can be 2-19 seconds. Cutting depth has a similar cut capacity as a 7-1/4 saw. It weighs only 6.8 pounds, and with a balanced center, the design is one of the most lightweight and sturdy cordless circular saws on the market. It is covered by Metabo HPT's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.